are generally one of my favorite dishes, and today's recipe is chicken dim sum, which can be enjoyed on special occasions with friends and family. Now, dim sums require a bit of effort in preparing, but it's extremely rewarding in the end. So let's get started and check out the recipe. I've taken 200 grams of boneless chicken that's been cut into small pieces. It's been washed and cleaned nicely. I'm going to make a chicken mince for the dim sum. For this, take 3 cloves of garlic roughly chopped, half-inch piece ginger roughly chopped, 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, half teaspoon salt and crushed pepper. Pulse it a few times for the chicken mince. The chicken mince is done. Remove it from the mixer jar and keep it in a bowl. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil to the chicken mince, a few spring onion whites chopped, and a few spring onion greens chopped. Mix everything together and keep aside. Now I'm going to make the wonton sheets. For this, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour maida. Add half teaspoon salt. To this, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything together. Then gradually add water and knead the dough. Knead the dough till it's all well combined. Knead it for about 5 minutes. After you knead the dough, wrap it in a wet cloth and keep it aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, so knead it for another 2 minutes. Pinch off a little bit of the dough. Make sure you make small dough balls. This size would be ideal. Dust the rolling surface. Place the dough ball and start rolling it out. If you can see, the sheets are really thin and nice. You can see they're quite transparent. You can actually see my fingers through the sheets. So they're pretty thin. I stocked up a few wonton sheets. Use a ruler and cut it into squares. So I'm just going to mark it first. Place 1 tablespoon of the chicken filling onto the wonton sheet. Just wrap it from the ends. You don't need to seal the dim sum completely. Just follow this technique to make all your dim sums. I'm going to place the dim sums in a bamboo steamer. Now I've used a banana leaf for the base. You can use cabbage leaves if you don't have banana leaves. Heat some water in a pot. Once the water is hot, place the bamboo steamer inside and steam the dim sums for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see the chicken dim sums are done. You can enjoy this with some nice spicy chili sauce. I would also like to enjoy these dim sums with some jasmine tea by the side, which completes this meal and makes it so perfect. So as you can see from the recipe, it has a few steps, but I have broken it down and made it very simple for you guys to follow. And if you plan to prepare this dish on a special occasion, you can prepare the sheets ahead of time, maybe a day earlier. And the filling, you can prepare it fresh and make it very quickly. Enjoy these chicken dim sums with some spicy red chili sauce. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.